Risk appetite was given a strong lift in the Asian session as Chinese trade data stunned investors. China's trade surplus jumped to $31.6 billion in December compared to expectation of $20.1 billion. Exports rose an impressive 14.1% compared to expectations of around the 5% increase. Imports also rose 6% compared to expectations of 3.5%. For the whole year, trade surplus soared 48.1% to $231.1 billion with exports up 7.9% to $2.05 trillion and imports up 4.3% to $1.82 trillion. Asian equities are generally higher with Nikkei up nearly 100 points while the Hong Kong SI is up over 230 pts. The data has in particular given Aussie a push against the dollar and yen. European Central Bank and Bank of England meetings are the major focuses today. The ECB will very likely leave the main refinancing rate at 0.75% and the asset purchase program unchanged in January. A prominent message delivered at the press conference last month was that some members of the Governing Council favored a rate cut, but that the prevailing consensus was to keep rates unchanged in the end. With the lack of material change in the macroeconomic situation in the region, we expect the central bank to stand on the sideline this month, while maintaining the accommodative stance. On the data front, New Zealand trade deficit widened slightly to $700 million in November. Australian building approvals missed expectation and rose 2.9% month-on-month in November. Canadian new housing price index is expected to rise 0.2% month-on-month in November while building permits are expected to rise 2.4% month-on-month. Initial jobless claims in the U.S. are